Illustration 29, page number 198. Chandni and Nihar are the partners sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. This is their old ratio. Their balance sheet as on 31st/3/16 was as under. Obviously, this is the question, and below you have adjustments. We'll quickly read them. On 1/4/16, they admitted Payal as a new partner on the following conditions. So there are 8 conditions provided, and they say prepare necessary accounts and balance sheet. Necessary accounts, let us decide which are the accounts that we are going to prepare. For that, we are going to check our balance sheet. If we are provided with the balances of current accounts, then we'll prepare current accounts, otherwise only partners' capital accounts. Yes, check your question. There is no balance mentioned regarding current accounts. So which are the accounts that we are going to prepare? Revaluation account, partners' capital accounts, cash and bank account, and the new balance sheet, that is balance sheet after admission. Okay, so this was our first step. First step में हम क्या करते हैं? We are preparing all the ledger accounts, हम draw करते हैं, and then we are going to record the opening balances of capital account and bank account. The opening balance of capital will be recorded in capital accounts. Chandni, it is 1 lakh. Nihar, it is 80,000. Where do we record opening balances? In partners' capital accounts. The next page you can see, that is page number 199. Please pay attention. Partners' capital accounts, credit side, the very first thing, buy balance brought down in the column of Chandni 1 lakh and in the column of Nihar 80,000. Okay. Our next step is to record the opening balance of bank account, which is 56,000. So in cash and bank account that we have prepared, debit side पे check कीजिए, to balance brought down, if you all can see, 56,000. So we are done writing opening balances of capital accounts and bank account. Alright, please put a tick mark over the things that you have recorded. Now we are going to obtain sacrificing ratio first of all. The first step is that you will decide how many accounts, which accounts you are going to draw. Then on the next step you are going to record the opening balances. Third step is always to obtain sacrificing ratio. For that you need old ratio, which is 3:2 mentioned in your question, and also they have mentioned new ratio in the adjustments. Seventh adjustment अगर आप देखेंगे, it is new ratio 2:2:1. So on this basis, first of all you will obtain sacrificing ratio. Let us check if they have provided us with the working notes, otherwise you will have to do it in your book. They have provided. Page number 199, explanation is given over there. The first working note, sacrificing ratio. You know this very well, it is very simple. It is old share minus new share. So old ratio is 3:2, new ratio is 2:2:1. So if you want to obtain sacrifice, it is simply old share minus new share. So first partner's sacrifice 3/5 minus 2/5. 3/5 कैसे? Old ratio क्या है? 3:2. 3 plus 2, 5. So this makes 3/5 and 2/5. Then new ratio 2:2:1. That makes 2/5, 2/5 and 1/5. अभी old ratio of Chandni, old share 3/5, and new share 2/5. So what is the sacrifice of Chandni? 1/5. Same for Nihar. Now while calculating sacrifice for Nihar, it is 0. What does that mean now? That Nihar is not sacrificing. उनका old ratio, old share भी 2/5 था और new share भी उनका 2/5 ही है. So there is no change. He is not sacrificing nor he is gaining. तो sacrifice कौन कर रहा है? Definitely someone has to sacrifice when the new partner enters the firm. Yeah, so that reduced share is going to be a part of share of profit of the new partner. So we have seen all the sums जिसमें दोनों पार्टनर सेक्रीफाइस करते हैं और वो दो पार्टनर जितना सेक्रीफाइस करते हैं उसका अगर हम एडिशन करेंगे then the total share that you obtain is the amount of share in profit for new partner. अब यहाँ पे केस ऐसा है कि out of the two old partners only one partner is sacrificing. Yeah, there is no sacrifice for Nihar. So sacrificing ratio नहीं है. All we know is that Chandni is a person who is sacrificing 1/5. Nihar is not sacrificing. And what is the share of the new partner in profit? Of course 1/5. 2:2:1 आपका new ratio है. उसके basis पे हमें पता चलता है what is the share given to new partner. That is 1/5. और अगर आप इसको कंपेयर करेंगे चांदनी के सेक्रीफाइस से तो चांदनी ने भी इतना ही सेक्रीफाइस किया है. 1/5 is sacrificed by Chandni and 1/5 is a share received in profit by new partner, that is Payal. Nihar does not sacrifice. Okay, fine. We'll start with the adjustments now. First adjustment. Payal brought rupees 20,000 as goodwill in cash. Now Payal brings rupees 20,000 as goodwill in cash. Whenever the adjustment is given in this way, you should always check the adjustments given ahead, just to be sure कि अगर कहीं पे goodwill का new value दिया गया है, if it is mentioned तो आपको उसके basis पे पायल कितना गुडविल लाएगी वो आपको फाइंड करना रहता है. So let us have a look over the adjustments. Second one is for bad debt reserve, then is for machine, building, investments, capital, new share, and also the last one is about the capital itself. There are overall 8 adjustments. Okay, so there is no value of no new value of goodwill. So 20,000 will be considered that Payal brought as premium for goodwill. Whenever new partner brings the premium for goodwill in cash, what is the journal entry? It is cash account debit 20,000 to premium for goodwill account. Posting for this in cash account and in partners, one effect for this, and the posting for second journal entry will be in partners capital accounts. Check your cash and bank account debit side where you have written to balance brought down 56,000. Thereafter to premium for goodwill account 20,000. This is about first adjustment. Okay, moving ahead, whenever the share of goodwill, the premium for goodwill is brought by the new partner is to be distributed among old partners in their sacrificing ratio. This is what we know. But now there is only one partner sacrificing. So the entire share of goodwill will be transferred to that particular partner's account. Journal entry for which will be premium for goodwill account debit 20,000 to Chandni's capital account. Chandni is a person sacrificing. So let us check posting for this. In partners capital accounts credit side, you can see buy premium for goodwill account 20,000 in the column of Chandni. Alright. So we are done with the first adjustment. Second adjustment. Provision for doubtful date is not required. Let us check the question. Provision for doubtful dates is given on debit side of balance sheet. In your question, debtors are worth rupees 80,000 minus provision for bad date is 4,000, and now they say that it is not required. If you all remember, I have always said whenever you don't need the amount of bad debt reserve anymore, it is to be credited, and whenever you are supposed to create bad debt reserve, it is debited. So here they say that provision for bad debts is not required, so it will be credited in revaluation account. We'll check revaluation account credit side. The very first thing mentioned, by doubtful date reserve 4,000, just because it is not required, and if it was required, then on debit side. If the adjustment was something like bad date reserve at 10% or something like that, yeah, तो जब क्रिएट करने के लिए कहा जाता है तो हम उसका इफेक्ट डेबिट साइड डालते हैं, and when they say that it is not required or it is reduced, yeah, that time we are recording it on credit side. So what is the value of debtors now? Check in your new balance sheet on the page number 199. Debtors, you can see it is 80,000 because 4,000 was removed as a part of bad debt reserve. That means the debtors are good debtors. So I have written 80,000 for debtors in the balance sheet after admission. Okay. Next adjustment. Third adjustment. Value of machinery is to be reduced by 10%. Check your question. Machinery, you can see it is worth rupees 25,000. It is to be reduced by 10%. This is decrease in the value of an asset which is recorded on debit side of revaluation account. Revaluation account debit side, page number 198. To machinery account 2,500. 10% for 25,000. So what is the new value of machine? Next page, the new balance sheet. The new value for machine is 22,500. How? 25,000 minus 2,500. Next adjustment. Fourth adjustment. Market value of building is rupees 1 lakh. Let us check its book value. Building 60,000 is given in the question, in the balance sheet, and the market value is 1 lakh. This is an increase in the value of an asset. How much it has increased? It has increased by 40,000. So increase in the value of an asset is recorded on credit side of revaluation account. Revaluation account credit side, by building account 40,000. So what is the value of building to be recorded in the new balance sheet? The next page, balance sheet after admission. You can see it is written just previous to machine. Building 1 lakh, the new value. Next adjustment. Alright, fifth adjustment. Market value of investments is rupees 98,500. Let us check what is mentioned in the balance sheet. Investments, you can see it is 90,000 and the market value is 98,500. So obviously the value has increased. So increase in the value of an investment will be again recorded on credit side of revaluation account by investment account 8,500. So the new value of investment in the new balance sheet after admission, you can check previous to building, 98,500. Okay. Then the next adjustment, sixth adjustment. Payal will bring 20% of total capital of Chandni and Nihar in the new form as her capital. Payal is the new partner. New partner is always supposed to bring the amount of capital and the amount of goodwill in cash. Yes, so we are done with goodwill in the very first adjustment, and there was no mention about how much amount of capital has been brought by Payal. In the sums that we have done previously, in few of the sums it was clearly mentioned that how much amount is brought by the partner, and in other few sums they have presented in the twisted form that partner will bring proportionate capital, partner will bring 50% of net assets. Now again, this is a part of twist. They say that the new partner, that is Payal, will bring 20% of total capital of Chandni and Nihar. Who are these who are these people? These are the old partners, Chandni and Nihar. इन पार्टनर्स का जो टोटल कैपिटल रहेगा, मतलब दोनों के कैपिटल का अगर हम एडिशन करेंगे, उसका हम 20% कैलकुलेट करेंगे, उतना कैपिटल पायल विल ब्रिंग. So this adjustment will be done at the step of balancing accounts. जब हम टोटल करेंगे, हमारा आखिरी स्टेप जो रहता है अकाउंट्स टोटल करने का, तब ये एडजस्टमेंट सॉल्व किया जाएगा. Always whenever this type of adjustment is given in your sum, it is to be solved at the end. सब कुछ हो जाने के बाद, सारे एडजस्टमेंट्स, पोस्टिंग, रिकॉर्डिंग, रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट का टोटल, वो सारा कुछ हो जाने के बाद जब आप पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट्स टोटल करने के स्टेप पे आते हैं, तब ये एडजस्टमेंट सॉल्व किया जाता है. ठीक है. So we'll move ahead. Seventh adjustment, they say the new share is 2:1. We have already considered this in first adjustment. Then the last adjustment, Chandni and Nihar will maintain their capital in the proportion of their new profit and loss sharing ratio. This is very important to understand, and it is completely a new adjustment. Whenever we are balancing partners capital accounts, so what do we do? हम टोटल करते हैं पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट्स का, तो हम हमेशा क्या करते हैं, जिस किसी साइड का टोटल ज़्यादा है, in most of the cases, or I can say always, the total of credit side is more. So for whatever sums we have done, partners capital accounts में credit balance जो है is higher compared to the debit balance. तो हम क्या करते हैं, क्रेडिट साइड का जो टोटल है उसमें से हम डेबिट साइड की जो अमाउंट है वो माइनस करते हैं और हम ऐसा लिखते हैं टू बैलेंस कैरिड डाउन. on debit side of partners capital accounts. Yes, it is page number 199, partners capital accounts. Please everyone, the one who are using textbooks, what do we do, क्रेडिट साइड का जो टोटल रहेगा उसमें से डेबिट की जो अमाउंट है वो हम डिडक्ट करेंगे and then we are writing to balance carried down, and this amount itself we are transferring in new balance sheet. This is what we always do. Yeah, but here they say that the amount of closing capital that you obtain, yeah, you are not supposed to transfer it directly to the balance sheet. You are supposed to convert that particular amount in the form of, in consideration with converting capital in new ratio. ये डायरेक्टली सिंपल से जो टोटल करके हम ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं क्लोजिंग बैलेंस, तो वो आंसर हमेशा हमारा रहता है ओल्ड रेशियो के हिसाब से. ठीक है. Now we are supposed to convert this balance in new ratio. The capital is to be kept in new proportion. That is what they say. तो ये एडजस्टमेंट भी हम लास्ट में ही करेंगे. टोटल करने के बाद ही ये एडजस्टमेंट सीखा जा सकता है. Okay? So there are overall 8 adjustments. We have gone through all the adjustments and we are left with the 6th and 8th adjustment only, which can be done at the end. Before that, we'll check the old balance sheet given in the question. We'll start from the liabilities side. The very first item mentioned is creditors. Now, as there was no adjustment over creditors, it will be written as it is in the new balance sheet. New balance sheet, credit side, you can see 64,000 as it is, as it was in old balance sheet. So the items which do not have adjustments attached with it are to be written as it is. The next item mentioned in your balance sheet is, old balance sheet I am talking about, is general reserve, and below that you have investment fluctuation reserve. Reserves are to be distributed among old partners in their old ratio. In short, they are to be credited to partners' capital accounts in their old ratio. So, partners' capital accounts, page number 199, credit side, by general reserve account 7,200 and 4,800. Then by investment fluctuation reserve 3,600 and 2,400. Alright. Then again on credit side of old balance sheet, the item mentioned is workman profit sharing fund. Workman profit sharing fund is never distributed among partners because it is a liability. So it will be written as it is in the new balance sheet, page number 199. After creditors, below creditors, it is written 45,000 as it is in the old balance sheet. Alright? Coming back to the old balance sheet, we are done with the liabilities side completely. Moving towards asset side, the very first item mentioned is bank. We have already recorded the opening balance of bank account. Then we have also written about debtors, investment, building and machine. So there is nothing left to be recorded on asset side and liabilities side as well. So we are done with all adjustments except 2, and we are also done with the recording of remaining items. We have obtained a sacrificing ratio, and now the step is about balancing these accounts, which we are going to continue in next session. Okay, so please practice this sum for today. जितना हमने सीखा है उतना आप प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, and we'll continue, I mean we'll finish this sum in the next session. Okay.